Hey everyone, I wanted to create this short video to recap week one. I apologize it's coming so late into week two, but I just wanted to go over a couple of things that I noticed from week one. The first thing is in the defining control assignment. Um, I wanted to kind of talk about the idea of the universal formula for percentage. And so that universal formula for percentage is the part divided by the whole times 100. Okay. The times 100 is essentially going to, remember, move that decimal place over two. So you don't always have to type that into the calculator. You can just manually move that decimal place over two. Some of you in the assignment for defining control, you did food cost divided by selling price. Now, while that is correct, the food cost is a part of the whole selling price. I did want to kind of stress this idea of part divided by whole as a universal percentage formula. In this case, we're talking about food cost and how much we sell it for. So that would be the food cost percentage. If we're talking about labor cost later on the semester, labor cost would just be labor divided by the sales. Okay. Beverage cost would be the same thing. Percentage you're going to use in an upcoming chapter um, regarding the amount of product that is left over or the edible portion from how much we purchased. And so that yield is often set as a percentage. And so when we think about percentage of being a part of the whole, then when we think about yield percentage, then I'm going to know I'm going to take the part of what was left over, divide it by the whole that was purchased. And then I can also use that triangle in the example of the part over the whole, and the percentage stays on the bottom. The part, which is up on top, that would be the edible portion. And then on the bottom is our as purchased, how much we purchased. So if you did part over the whole times 100, then I gave you 5 bonus points. I gave everybody credit that said food cost over selling price because you gave me an example of a percentage formula, but what I really was looking for was this part over the whole. That way, when in the future, when you are presented with a percentage problem and a question, all you have to remember is which number is the part, which number is the whole. Okay, so looking forward to week 3, let's take a look. So looking forward to week 3, we have quite a bit of homework that's going to be due from this week. And then moving forward, next week, we are going to go over modules 5 and 6, which that includes your project. Okay, this will be your introduction to the project in module 5. So I will be holding a live project explanation on Monday, June 17th at 6 p.m. You can utilize the Zoom link up here in the important links. You can click either the orientation Zoom link or my office hours. Either one is going to be available. Let me show student view so you don't get confused on my actual office hours. They are Tuesdays or Wednesdays. If you do miss the live explanation on Monday at 6 p.m., you are welcome to log into my office hours. I will post the recording of that live explanation. And then also there is resources available in Module 5. So looking forward to next week, we're going to introduce that project. And then it's really going to, a lot of the assignments the following weeks are going to be focused around those project assignments. So it's really important you stay up to date with those. All right. So if you have any questions, as always, you can email me, log into my office hours. This next couple weeks, I should be more readily available as I'm not going to be traveling as much and during my office hours as well as by email. So thank you all so much. Please keep me posted on your progress, and I'll see you and I'll do a review for week 2's video next week.